Hello everyone and happy week 6. We finally made it. This week we are asked to create a sale analysis to know how to be able to meet the monthly sales goal according to the items needed to be sold. I created my my spreadsheet in the workbook that we've been working on. I used the most current one and I created the new sheet under sales analysis. I listed each of the items, the price, and then I created a formula here to be able to know. I created the formula here to be able to play with the quantity of items that we needed to sell for each of one per month. And that way I would know, like if I switch this to, I have cookies as the highest selling item because I feel like most of us do love a chocolate chip cookie. And considering that you get the most the most servings at a lower cost of all the items of three of them, out of three of them, I thought that that would probably be the one that would be selling the most. So if I was to change this to 8,000, and then let's say that this month in particular we had more sales for vanilla cake. Oops. That way you can see, and that way she can kind of track the sales, and she would know, like, well, we're actually doing a little bit better with the cookies this month. We're actually at 9,000 in cookies. And she can still keep playing with it to know where she would need to be to make the sales. Get to at least the 40,000 or over if possible. I also created my chart out of the percentages to reflect the percentages here in sales. I thought that would be good, like if it was a presentation and she was explaining what the average would be in percentage for each of the items, and in future she could use that to compare past history of sales and do predictions for the future. I'm sure there's some of you guys that are going to do way more like cool things with this and probably use like really awesome formulas and be able to use like the prediction stuff. And I look forward to that because I really want to learn, how to further like make this better. But I thought this was like what I could do with the, skills that I learned so far. I formatted from the other pages. I copied, I pasted, merged, and did a lot of that in order to get the complete picture here. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing what everybody else comes up with. And best of luck to everyone in their, future plans here at Baypath. Take care.